2 wasps, 100,000 fire ants. The battle had already started. The wasp wants one thing: the larvae, the ants' unborn children.
The alarm chemical spreads in 1 second. Thousands answer.
The second wasp circles. It is watching. Then it dives. One wasp sting kills instantly. But there are 100,000 ants. The first wasp escapes with a larva. Mission complete. From above, 2 wasps, a sea of fire ants. The colony is at war. Each sting clears space. The wasp creates room to move. It uses the cleared space, moving toward the nest entrance. Focused. Inside, workers flee deeper, carrying the eggs, their only priority. The soldiers emerge, larger than the workers, mandibles open.
A soldier bites the wing. The wasp feels it. Its wing crumples slightly.
It stings the soldier. The soldier falls. But the wing is damaged now. The second wasp lands directly on the mound. Confident. Covered immediately. The first wasp returns. No larva this time, just fighting. The fire ants change strategy. They form chains, pulling from all angles. The chains work. The wasp cannot sting in all directions at once. The damaged wing. It tries to fly. It cannot reach full lift. The soft parts between the armor. The fire ants found them. A functional wasp stings the ants attacking its partner. 2 wasps working together. One ant reaches the compound eye. The wasp shakes its head violently. Both wasps still fighting. The math is getting harder. Even now, it grabs another larva. One wasp falls, the second dives to help. Both rising. Damaged wings. But rising. Escaping upward. The fire ants jump. They leap toward the rising wasps. They do not let go easily. Above the reach now. The ants fall off. The wasps have escaped. 2 wasps, back to back, stinging outward. A coordinated strategy. The second wasp sees its partner fall. It hovers. Then it dives to help. It grabs its partner, stings the ants on it, tries to pull it free. It rights itself, both standing again, surrounded. The second wind. Both rising. Damaged wings, but rising, escaping upward. The fire ants jump. They leap toward the rising wasps. They do not let go easily. Above the reach now, the ants fall off. The wasps have escaped.
Hovering above. Damaged. Free. Looking down on at the colony below.
And still carrying the larva. Through everything. The mission completed. Below, the fire ants reorganize. The colony assesses what just happened. They fly away. Together. Damaged. Alive. Carrying what they came for. The fallen soldiers are carried in. The colony processes its losses. The entrance is reinforced. The colony learned. It makes the entrance smaller. Guard positions spread wider. They anticipate the wasps returning. Deep within the comb, the survivors take inventory. Life here is precarious, and every egg is vital to the colony's future. The queen, unchanged, still laying. The colony's continuity never stops. A new chemical signal from the queen. More soldiers. A heightened state. 2 hours later, 4 times the guard. The colony is ready. A third wasp approaches. It smells what the others found. It knows. But the ants are not the same as before. The third wasp does not know this. Same approach. Different result. The perimeter is wider now.
The response is faster. The colony learned from the first 2 attacks. The third wasp retreats. Empty. The colony has learned.
The colony follows briefly, then stops. They do not leave their territory. At the wasp nest, the larva arrives. The prize is delivered. This is why they risked everything. Their own larvae must be fed. The survivors return to their duties, damaged, alive, integrated back. Next morning, the fire ant colony is fully operational. The raid is history. The wasp nest, same morning, active. The survivors fly out again. The survivors fly over the territory. They see the colony. They alter course. A different colony. Smaller. The wasps circle it. A new target. 3 nests. 1 ecosystem. Each one surviving at the other's expense. Evening. 100,000 ants. Unstoppable. Beautiful. The wasp nest. Same light. Both alive. Both continuing. This is survival. Tomorrow the wasps will return. The ants will be ready. The forest never rests.